and I'm gonna be teaching you how to do the cups and saucer. And you'll be learning how to do the Eiffel Tower after the cups and saucer. Okay, we're gonna start right now. And you have to start like this one. So take your string, if you only had a string, and take your thumb, take a part of the string, put it right beside. It's supposed to look like that. No string behind, but like this. String in front. Same thing as the other hand. Now take your pointers or your middle finger, which I'm going to be taking with my pointers. Put it back. Now you're going to take your other pointer and take the string in from the middle of the loop you just made. So it's gonna look like this. Then you're gonna take the axis, the second axis. You're gonna bite this part to here, from here to there. Then you're gonna let your pinkies go. That's the cups and saucers. Now here comes the second part. It's the Eiffel Tower. We've done the cups and saucers. Now just bite this part and put 2 X's on top. Ta-da! We made the Eiffel Tower. And I forgot to tell you at the first part of the beginning of this video. Please subscribe and like this video if you like Cats in the Cradle, and please subscribe. It means a lot to me. And if you want me to do something else, please comment below. But mostly I'll only have like a few episodes because I don't know a lot about the Cats in the Cradle. Bye.